waiting, and waiting. Standing at the point but not naming it the destination. Talking to universe, considering law of attraction. Kenda bookkeeper, a little book reader, sucking onto movies, dancing in the moves, talking aloud, shouting those lyrics out, drafting the craft, dodging the ball. Between the journey from slave to master, nobody really prescribed there is a trail to wait. A trail to wait. The right time, the right being, waiting for everything I've done, waiting for everything I'll do, waiting to get there, waiting to let go, waiting to move on, waiting to stand strong, waiting to meet someone, waiting to arrive. Waiting to arrive even after arrival. Weird. It's been chaotic mystery every time I go to my mom and ask her when I'm gonna be at that peak. She says, wait, wait, your day will come too. Where, when, why, the thoughts running low, time really going slow, little patience, longer than destiny, a clear slate made out of actions, but still waiting to rhyme. While we keep describing one option after another, while we keep prescribing the philosophy of patience, while we keep dividing the introvert and extrovert, while we keep our actions on, while we keep our excuses on, nobody knows the cycle of wait. Somehow nobody tells you dealing of thoughts during that wait. Somehow for your destination the wait is never late. And somehow this is the actual exam nobody talks about. Sympathy we feel, empathy we take. Within ourselves, we really fight to wait. Within ourselves, we really fight to wait. Even in your constant running, somewhere we are just waiting, waiting, and waiting.